Hi, in this video we are going to be looking at some Facebook marketing mistakes you should totally avoid in your marketing efforts. And if this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Abokra Minatu, and I help entrepreneurs to grow and scale their business online. Facebook is a huge social media platform that every entrepreneur should really take a very good look at it and how it can help him or her to grow his or her business. I know a lot of entrepreneurs are using it already. Some don't know that maybe some of the things they've been doing are hurting their efforts rather than helping them grow so well using the platform. So I am really going to take you through about five tips so that you'll be able to understand what to avoid and what to do more to help you grow in your business. The first tip I have for you is you should not be depending too much on paid advertising. Some people think that once they land or they start paid advertising, all their problems are solved. Yes, paid advertising is good, but if and only if you know how to convert those leads that you are getting from the advertising. Understand that when you run the ads, it is not automatic that all the people that see your ad end up buying from you or joining your business. So what you rather have to do is to learn how to build relationship with all those who had the opportunity to interact with your ad in one way or the other. It means they are interested. But for someone to make a buying decision or a decision to join your business, he or she has to come to know, like, and trust you before that can happen. So always understand that if you are depending 100% on advertising and you are not looking at how to sharpen your networking, prospecting, and closing skills, then you certainly are not going to make so much money from the advertising, but rather you are going to be losing. So as a beginner, I don't encourage you to start with paid advertising. I encourage you to go organic. Try as much as you can to sharpen your networking, prospecting, and then closing skills by building relationship with people. And that way, even if you begin to scale your business, you will see a lot of results. The next mistake you should also be avoiding is understand that social media is for socialization. So don't forget the social aspect. If you are using the platform, don't always be thinking, how do I get people into my sales? How do I get a sale? How do I get a lead? Even when you are conversing with people, you forget the social aspect. You forget the human aspect behind the business. That's where you are hurting your business rather than helping it to grow. So always have the social aspect of your marketing on Facebook at the back of your mind. Be nice when you are making posts. Post about you, post about some of your likes, some of the things you don't like. Let people come to understand who the personality is behind the profile. Once that is done, you are surely going to see a lot of improvement in your marketing effort using Facebook. The third tip I have for you also is being overzealous. Some people just get so hot that they feel, let me hurry up and get so many people to join me on my business. So it's about spamming and spamming and spamming. They just forget that they have to provide value. We are in a society where people are attracted to those they know, understand their pains, and are there for them. So you also have to be able to put yourself out there to solve people's problems instead of rather always asking for a sale from people. Then again, ignoring the Facebook rules. There are so many rules Facebook has. I think I encourage everybody to take time to read the terms and condition of using Facebook. Else, you may be able to build a huge following on Facebook, and just by this making some of these mistakes, Facebook can decide to close your account. And then what happens? You are totally ruined. You are now going to look for another platform to build on, or what is going to happen? So if you are getting some leads from Facebook, then I think the best thing you can do is to learn to the rules and then go by those rules, because they will certainly help you in the long run. Then the next is caring too much about likes. Some people, all they do is once they make a post, they sit and then be waiting for any like, any comment, then they will be so virtually you finish and you end up spending the entire day behind just one post. Or if maybe you made the post and the post is not getting the kind of engagement you would have wished the post generates for you, you feel bad, you feel worried, you think people are still not seeing what you are supposed to do. Just don't concentrate on that. Keep providing value, keep sharing tips that are going to help your audience, keep getting engaged with your audience through conversation in messenger and other ways that you can connect. That way people will still hear from you even if they don't see your posts at all. Then too much text, avoid those mistakes. There are so many people on Facebook. Virtually everybody is using text in the post. Can you stand out? Can you start adding images? Possibly can you start doing videos, live videos, or you record a video and then upload it short, or at least with some time. These are all going to help you in getting a lot of people to take a look at what you have to offer. So don't use too much text, add images and possibly add video, especially live videos. They are very, very trendy. Facebook loves the live videos, and once you are doing it, it helps your videos, it shows your video to so many people because it encourages video communication. And then also you don't focus on any branding. You don't have a message, you don't have a voice, you are confused. All you do is what your downlines or your uplines have taught you on. Just keep posting about your business, your company, your products. Just keep doing that and you are going to get sales. So you forget that it's not about your company, it's all about you. Business thrives on people. People join people in businesses, not companies. So anytime you have the opportunity to brand yourself online, I think is the best thing you can ever do for your own business. Lastly, being boring. You have to add some spice to your text, to your conversation. Let people get to know the fun behind the image or the person on Facebook. So don't be too boring because you put people off your profile. I hope these are the mistakes I've identified you should avoid. Once you avoid this, you are going to see a lot of improvement on your Facebook marketing efforts. So let me quickly recap them. The first is don't be depending too much on paid advertising. If you are not so good, you'll be losing more money than you making money from it. Again, don't forget to be social and on Facebook. Don't be too overzealous. Ignoring the rules is also very disadvantageous to you. And then don't be lazy. You need to be working, networking, prospecting, closing every single day. If you really want to grow your business, you have to do this. So don't be lazy. Don't then caring too much about likes. Then again, we talk about too much text in your post. Every now and then it's about text. Try to add images and videos possibly, and then not focusing at all on branding you online. And lastly, being boring. Don't be boring whilst you are using Facebook in your marketing efforts. I hope this tips really helps you in your marketing efforts. Do subscribe, click the link below and subscribe to my channel, as I do release this and more other trainings to help you grow and scale your business online. As well, if you are struggling to build a successful business online, feel free to click the link in the description below and book your free coaching call with me. Until I see you in the inside, it has always been lovely, and it's a bye bye for now.